Hello everyone, welcome to the 100 Day Spanish Challenge by Touri. I'm Mark, and this is day 9 of the challenge. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can find the link down below to join the challenge and follow along. Now I'm going to start by saying the word in Spanish at a normal pace, the masculine and feminine form, and then I'll break it down into syllables, followed by the English translation and a couple of example sentences. Let's get started. Number 81. Número 81. Dar. Dar. To give. The player gave the ball to the referee. El jugador dio el balón al árbitro. Number 82. Número 82. Debajo de. Debajo de. Debajo de. Underneath. A poor old lady is living under the bridge. Una pobre anciana vive debajo del puente. Number 83. Número 83. Decir. Deh-seer. Decir. To say or to tell. He says he doesn't like modern music. Él dice que no le gusta la música moderna. Number 84. Número 84. Dejar. 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 To leave or to allow. Leave the books on the table when you are finished reading them. Deja los libros en la mesa cuando acabes de leerlos. Number 85. Número 85. Demasiado. Demasiada. Deh-mah-see-ah-doh. Demasiado. Too much. It was too much food for me. Fue demasiada comida para mí. Number 86. Número 86. Dentista. 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 Dentist. The dentist removed my wisdom tooth. El dentista me sacó la muela del juicio. Number 87. Número 87. Depender de. Depender de. Depender de. To depend on. Their choice may depend on what the world demands of them. Su opción puede depender de lo que el mundo exija de ellos. Number 88. Número 88. Derecho. 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 Derecha. Derecho. Derecho. Right. The soccer player injured his right foot. El futbolista se lastimó el pie derecho. Number 89. Número 89. Desayuno. 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 Breakfast. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Dicen que el desayuno es la comida más importante del día. Number 90. Número 90. Descuento. 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 Discount. We're giving a 10% discount on all computers this weekend. Hacemos un descuento de 10% en todas las computadoras este fin de semana. The best way to learn this material is through repetition, memorization, and conversation. If you'd like to practice your newly learned vocabulary, Touri offers live, fun, and immersive one-on-one online language lessons with native instructors at nearly any time of the day. Check out Touri.co, or you can follow the link down below. Until next time, adios.